Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best accessories you can get for your Omiebox, the Viotiin silicone dips containers. If you're someone who loves meal prepping or packing lunches for your kids, these little containers are a game changer. The Viotiin silicone dips containers come in a pack of 4, featuring 2 cuboid-shaped containers and 2 cube-shaped ones. They're designed specifically to fit perfectly inside the compartments of the redesigned Omiebox, as well as most other bento lunchboxes. Whether you're packing salad dressings, dips, or snacks, these containers will keep everything neat and tidy. Made from premium food-grade silicone, these containers are completely free of harmful materials like BPA, PVC, latex, and phthalate. This means you can feel good about using them for your family's meals. Plus, they are lightweight and durable, making them incredibly convenient for on-the-go lifestyles. What's really impressive about the Viotiin containers is their 100% leak-proof design. Each container features an airtight seal, ensuring that your sauces and snacks remain fresh without any spills. No more worrying about messy lunch bags or ruined meals. You can toss them in your bag without a second thought. These containers are not only dishwasher safe, but they're also microwave and freezer safe. You can use them to store food in the freezer or heat them up in the microwave, up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleaning is a breeze. Just pop them in the dishwasher, and you're done. Versatile and practical, these containers are suitable for a variety of foods. Whether you're packing sauces, dips, salad dressings, fruits, or even veggie sticks, they're the perfect companion for your Omiebox. You can use them for school lunches, office meals, or even for picnics in the park. The possibilities are endless, and they add a fun element to your meal prep. In summary, the Viotiin silicone dips containers are an excellent addition to your lunch packing routine. With their leak-proof design, versatility, and convenience, they truly stand out as one of the best accessories for your Omiebox. If you're looking to make your meal prep simpler and more enjoyable, these containers are definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and insights. Until next time, happy packing!